Are you struggling to make money online? This video is accurate for you. In this video, I will show you a strategy that is perfect for beginners, and this way of earnings can literally make you $100 or even thousands of dollars. And the good thing here is, these websites are available around the world. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before I will teach you the strategy of making money online, I will first show you a person who is doing this strategy also, and the insane thing is, he made a ton of money in this strategy. The platform that he uses and the same platform that we will be using is none other than YouTube. The YouTube channel that is using the same strategy is Soothing Relaxation. This channel is uploading relaxing music videos. As you can observe, these videos are not complicated. It's just composed of non-copyright music with simple but relaxing images. And these music videos don't have an intro or outro, by the way. And take note of this, no fancy graphics. As you can see here, these videos got thousands or even millions of views. Many people will view this kind of video because it's very relaxing. I open up a video to use as an example, and as you can see, it consists of royalty-free video and image combined with music. You will notice also that these videos are very long. This is part of the strategy, because the longer the videos, the higher the watch time, and the more ads you can put. And since these are music videos, most people don't watch them. They just leave it rolls while they're trying to sleep, meditating, and so on. Uploading long videos also has another advantage. You will not upload videos every day to get an enormous watch time. Just look at this. This channel uploads 1 or 2 videos per month. The videos got thousands of views at least and millions of views at most. Making this kind of videos has many benefits. They're very easy to make, first of all, and you don't need any application like Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, and so on. Second, it's very easy to find both the images, videos, and music. Lastly, it's very popular. It means you make a lot of money. If you come to socialblade.com, you will be able to see how much money the owner of the said channel is making. And as you see, it's between $16,000 to more than $250,000 in a month. Now you have a view on how much you can earn in this kind of strategy. Let's proceed on how we can make those kinds of music videos. First, we will pick our clips and pictures. There are 2 platforms that I can recommend to you to find those relaxing views. The first one is unsplash.com. On this website, you can only find free and non-copyright images. The second website is pexels.com. This website can provide you images and clips. The thing that you will search in here is related to relaxation like nature, landscapes, beach, and so on. You can also go to this YouTube channel so that you will have knowledge of the images and clips you will be using. In my case, I would like to search for landscapes. All you need to do to download these photos is to click them. On the upper right portion of the site, you can see the free download. To download videos here, just click videos on the upper left portion of the site. In Unsplash, you can download images in a simple way. Just click the download all over here. I will recommend that you will download a few of them, both clips and images, because we will be making an hour of the music video. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now that we already have our clips and images, all we need to do is find the music. And as far as music is concerned, the best place to find it is in YouTube itself. Let's go to the YouTube audio library. There are several reasons why you will be using the audio library. First is you can find thousands of songs here. And the good thing is, you can use it without any copyright strikes. In order for you to accurately choose the music that you will be using is to use its filter. You can do it by maneuvering your mouse on the upper left portion and clicking this one. You may choose a mood and then click on calm. And now it shows all the music available relating to relaxation. Apart from that, you can also filter from genre to duration and many more. This will allow you to find the best songs for your music videos, and you can also preview this music by clicking on this icon. And in terms of how to download, it's very easy. Just go to the right portion and click download. I will recommend that you download at least 20 audios because we will be making hours of the music video. Now that we already have our audios, images, and clips, we will proceed to the next process, which is to combine them. I will introduce two ways to you in order to combine the audio and images. First is openshot.org. In order for us to use it, we need to download it. And keep in mind, you will be bothered in terms of installing an application to your computer due to compatibility, drivers, and so on. I have a second cloud-based platform that will help us create a music video. The site mentioned is none other than Clidio.com. To use it, all we need to do is click Video Maker on the lower portion of the site. And on this page, you will be choosing all the clips and images that we already download. To do that, just simply click on Choose File. And on the next page, I will recommend you to go to the right portion and click on Zoom and Crop, and be sure that you choose the 16:9 screen ratio to make it look more cinematic. And below on that, choose 2 seconds duration per image because it will help you not to upload infinite images. Lastly, click on Add Audio here. And once you're satisfied with the video, just hop in your mouse and move to the lower right portion of the site and click Export. As you can observe, it may take minutes in order to produce a video. Once you already exported and downloaded the video, you can upload it onto your YouTube channel. And I said I will show you how to earn money aside from monetizing on YouTube. Because monetizing YouTube will take months, it depends on your watch time. You can have an extra income by doing affiliate marketing. It's a very effective way to earn money. You all need to do it to leave an affiliate link in the description box below, and thousands of people can see it. There are a bunch of products you can sell as an affiliate. I will recommend a site that can be able to apply as an affiliate, no other than Amazon. Just go to Google and search for the Amazon affiliate program and then click it. And in this page, you can create your account by hopping your mouse to the upper right corner and click Sign Up. On this page, you will be going to click Create an Account. And all done! For you to earn as an affiliate on Amazon, all you need to do is copy the affiliate links and paste them in the description box of your YouTube video. This will help you to earn dollars before being monetized on YouTube. Afterwards, if you're being monetized on YouTube, you may or may not work as an affiliate on Amazon because the YouTube ads revenue is a lot of money. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.